Just imagine, whether you want to run a business, whether you want to run a company, whether you want to run a software, whether you run a country, whether you run a family, whether you run a relationship, everything is a run. So, what are you here to run? What do you want to run? And I'm asking you seriously, what do you want to run? Well, the first more critical step in everything is then to think about, if everything is a run, then how do you run? You have to learn to run. And this is the most crucial step. Running is the first important crucial step in everything you want to run, because to first run anything you have to learn to run, and then you can run everything you want. I'm not here to sell you a course on running, but I'm here to first tell you the first important piece you're missing in the equation, which is running. And you have to come back at that point. You don't need to become an athlete. You don't need to become a top world-class runner, but you just need to run enough that you know how to run. And once you know how to run, you can run anything. I mean anything in life. Because think about it. Why do people say, I run a business, I run a company, I run a country? Everything has to be run. So when you understand that, you understand the core principle of nature. It is called principle, and principle don't lie. Everybody can lie, but principle don't lie. In 10 years, do you know how much more you can run just putting hour a day into running? Well, let me just tell you mathematically, you will be running 40,150 kilometers. I mean 40,150 kilometers. That is more than 1955 marathon in 10 years. Close to 1,000 marathon. Even the best marathon runner in the world has never run that yet. So here you are. You are an aspiring entrepreneur, or you are already an entrepreneur. And you know, one of the most important things that is a skill in entrepreneurship is consistency. It is discipline. Well, discipline is not something that you think about. It is something you do. It is emotion. It is an action. It is in emotion, right? So you want to build upon something that you know you will be doing substantially every day, and running is the first thing. And I'm not here to convince you that running is the first thing. You already know it from every phrases that people use to describe what they do. They always use it. Running, they run things. And everybody, I mean, think about the biggest leaders in the world. They run things. They run companies. They run the biggest company in the world. They run the biggest enterprises in the world, and they run the best relationships in the world. First, they know how to run, and then they run anything they want. And that is the first step. And as we are here, I welcome you to take out the opportunity to learn how to run. Running is not just about the physical activity. It is the mental, it is the spiritual of it. So as you hear, you want to learn how to run. And when you know how to run, you can run anything you want. And I welcome you again, diving into the first step of the first important skill in life, which is running, and exploring whether you are as a beginner, whether you are already an intermediate, whether you are already an advanced runner, or whether you are already an experienced runner. You are already welcome here. You have something special for you here, and just take a free course. Everything is free here, not here to sell or anything. This is something free. You don't need anything to run. You just need to know this is the first step. As you know it, you take on the step and you start running. And this is the global community of aspiring runners, people that are here to run things, that run companies, that we run businesses, that we run relationships, that we run families. This is the place, and you want to be here in this place, because you know everybody here want to run something, and you are welcome amongst the global runners. And this is the community you want to belong in, and this is your home. Welcome again. Start running whatever you want to run, whether it is a business, whether it's a company. You can start now. Start running. Don't wait, because your business, your company is waiting for you. to just run towards your business. As you know how to run, you can run toward your business. And here today you can start now. Start, don't wait. Running, don't wait, don't stop. Happy running, happy company.